Is manually cleaning your oven frustrating and inconvenient? Not anymore. Thanks to Cleaning Assistance, with the help of a special cleaning program, stubborn dirt and grease marks in your oven cavity can easily be removed. After use, the oven must be cooled down, and all accessories are to be removed from the cooking compartment in order to use the Cleaning Assistance program. To start the cleaning process, pour 0.4 liters of water with a drop of washing up liquid in the middle of the oven cavity. Close the oven door and select the Cleaning Assistance function from the control panel. At the same time, turn the temperature knob to the Cleaning Assistance temperature setting. After a few seconds, the cleaning duration will appear on the display panel and start to count down. After the program is complete, open the oven door and wipe down the cavity. After wiping down, leave the door open at a 30-degree angle and use the 3D hot air program for 5 minutes for quick drying. Now, removing stubborn dirt and grease marks from your oven cavity is easy. This is Cleaning Assistance, a perfect helping hand while cleaning your oven. Bosch. Invented for life.